ProContractor Invitation to Bid. This video is one in a series of videos designed to help you learn helpful tips and tricks you might not know about in ProContractor. To learn more about ProContractor and other Viewpoint solutions, check out Viewpoint's YouTube channel and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest and greatest content.
So the invitation to bid tool inside of our estimating allows estimators to put together bid packages directly from the estimate line items. As you can see here, I put together a grading package that I would like to solicit bids for. You can define a clear scope of work, determine any terms and conditions that may be necessary to be known about this package, and any exclusions you would like them to include. From here, it's a matter of coming in and selecting which line items from your estimate will be included as a part of this bid package. I'm putting together a grading invitation to bid. Let's add those pieces to that. The next step is selecting which vendors you would like to include in this invitation to bid. All of that information will populate into an invitation to bid form that you can either email directly out of ProContractor to your vendors, including any specifications or drawings or plans that you would like to include as well. The next step in this process is to track the bids that you get in here. So I can see on this grading package that I put together, Sharoni came in and they provided us pricing of $58,500. Really nice feature here is that you can also include this little checkbox so that you can track bidders that are non-responsive. From here, we're going to go in and we're going to manage these bids. Which of these bids do we want to include in our pricing? Really nice view here because I can see, of course, the items that I asked for bids on. I can see who came in here and actually responded, the pricing on each line item, but I also have visibility of what number is currently sitting in my estimate. You can see I kind of misjudged the numbers that were going to be coming in. If I select the low bidder here of Greenscape at $51,000, I'm going to have to find about $37,000 worth of cost somewhere else to make up for that loss. All right, so and now maybe even most importantly, I can come in here and make sure that the information that I've captured in my invitation to bid gets updated to my estimate. So with a click of a button, this information gets populated into the estimate that I used to create that invitation to bid. And as you can see, I am alerted as to which line items have been updated. I can see that grading has been updated along with some other pieces that I put together for a different bid package that I had. But I can clearly see the number's been updated and it has the vendor attached here. So being optimistic, if I am the low bidder on this particular project and I want to create a purchase order for this information, I am set, ready to go. I've got that piece of information populated for me already.